One day, a young boy named Hasan was praying for a long time in the mosque. He bowed, he recited many du'as and stayed for hours. An old wise man watched him kindly. After the prayer, the man said, "Hasan, your prayers were long, but tell me, did you think about what you said?" Hasan looked down. "I tried, but I was just repeating the words." The man smiled and said, "Imam Ali, peace be upon him, once said, 'A moment of reflection is better than a lifetime of worship.' That means even 1 minute of thinking about Allah, your actions, and how to be a better person is more valuable than praying without understanding." Hasan nodded. The next day he sat quietly before prayer thinking, "Have I been kind today? Did I speak the truth? Can I do better?" Then he prayed, slowly, thoughtfully, and from the heart. And that one short prayer became more meaningful than all the long ones before. Moral: think before you pray. Even 1 moment of reflection can bring you closer to Allah than hours of empty words. Dear friends, today's story taught us that worship is not just about words. It's about thinking, feeling, and connecting with Allah from the heart. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment to share what you learned. And subscribe to Suno Ik Kahani Dosto, where every story brings a lesson, a spark of wisdom, and a journey for the soul. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to hear our next heart-touching story.